Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Yahoo emails. Backing up your mailbox is one of the best ways to protect your messages against accidental deletion, account issues, or service changes. It also gives you offline access and a clean archive you can store, move, or transfer to another service later. We'll cover two practical, manual methods: creating a full backup through Outlook as a PST file, and saving individual messages as PDFs directly from Yahoo Mail. First, let's connect your Yahoo account to Outlook so your mail can sync locally. Open Outlook on your computer, go to the File menu, and choose Add Account. Enter your Yahoo email address, and when prompted for a password, sign in using your secure credentials. Complete the setup to let Outlook start syncing your mailbox. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your inbox, this can take a while, so give it time to finish so you don't miss any messages. Once your folders and emails appear, you're ready to export. Now, create a full mailbox backup as a PST. In Outlook, go to File, then open Export, and select Import Export. Choose Export to a file, then pick Outlook Data File, also known as a PST. Select your Yahoo account and the folders you want to include. If you want everything, make sure your top-level mailbox is selected so subfolders are included. Click Next, choose a safe location on your computer or an external drive, and start the export. Outlook will create a single PST file that contains the emails you selected. This file can be kept as an archive, copied to another drive for redundancy, or imported back into Outlook later if you need to restore your mail. If you just need specific messages as standalone files, you can save them as PDFs from Yahoo Mail. Head back to Yahoo Mail in your browser and open the message you want to keep. Click the More menu, the three dots on the message, and choose Print. In the print dialog that appears, change the destination or printer to save as PDF. Pick a folder on your computer, give the file a clear name if needed, and save it. This is great for receipts, confirmations, or any email you want to store or share as a document. Keep in mind that printing to PDF captures the message content, and formatting shown on screen attachments will need to be saved separately if you want copies of those files. Choose the method that fits your needs, the PST for a complete archive, or PDFs for targeted saves. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.